Are you looking for the best Chinese drones with camera? In this video we will look at some of the best Chinese drones with camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. New SX1 Max GPS Drone. The new SX1 Max GPS drone brings an inspiring sense of freedom, turning ordinary surroundings into breathtaking aerial scenes. Its 4K clarity and 3-axis gimbal stability work together to create smooth, lifelike visuals that feel emotionally powerful. As it rises into the sky, you experience a gentle excitement, the kind that makes you want to explore further and capture moments you never noticed before. People who value creativity often search for something that feels steady and dependable, and this drone offers that reassurance through calm handling and thoughtful movement. The brushless design adds a quiet strength, making each flight peaceful while allowing you to focus on the joy of discovering new perspectives. Whether you are traveling, spending time outdoors, or simply enjoying a quiet afternoon, it brings a fresh way to preserve memories with depth and meaning. The large-screen remote control adds a sense of closeness to the journey, helping you feel connected to every detail as you watch the world unfold from above. Its folding design makes it easy to carry, encouraging spontaneous adventures without any burden. Each time this drone takes flight, it becomes a partner in storytelling, turning simple experiences into captivating scenes that stay with you long after the moment passes. Number 2. RG101 PRO 2-axis Drone. The RG101 PRO 2-axis gimbal 8K 5G high-definition camera professional drone brings a feeling of calm control that inspires confidence from the moment it lifts into the sky. Its balanced motion turns simple scenes into powerful visuals, helping you capture moments with depth, color, and emotion. As it rises, it carries a gentle excitement that encourages you to look at familiar places with a fresh and creative perspective. People who enjoy capturing memories want something reliable, and this drone delivers that trust through steady handling and thoughtful design. The 8K clarity brings a richness that makes every frame feel alive, allowing landscapes, streets, and open fields to appear more vivid than you remember. Whether you are exploring new places or revisiting spots you love, it helps you preserve those experiences in a meaningful way. The 5-kilometer capability adds a sense of freedom, letting you move across wide areas without feeling restricted. The obstacle avoidance support brings reassurance, allowing you to focus on creativity instead of worry. The brushless system adds quiet strength, turning each flight into a smooth and peaceful journey. Every moment in the air becomes an opportunity to express your imagination. This quadcopter becomes more than equipment. It becomes a partner that helps you create unforgettable stories through the open sky. Number 3. SZWDSE L600 PRO Drone. The hot 4K professional high-definition dual-camera new L600 PRO Max GPS drone brings an exciting blend of smooth movement and emotional clarity that makes every flight feel special. As it rises into the air, it creates a quiet thrill, inviting you to see everyday places from a fresh angle that feels inspiring and full of life. Its balanced motion allows each captured scene to look steady and natural, giving your memories a richness that stays with you long after the moment has passed. People who enjoy expressing their creativity often want something that feels trustworthy, and this drone builds that confidence through its thoughtful handling and calm stability. The 3-axis gimbal adds a sense of grace to every turn, letting you focus on shaping beautiful visuals rather than worrying about movement. The dual camera view deepens each frame, revealing colors, textures, and details that make your surroundings feel more meaningful. The 5-kilometer capability encourages exploration across open fields, long roads, and wide landscapes without hesitation. The 360 obstacle avoidance adds comfort, helping you fly with ease even in unfamiliar spaces. The brushless design creates a peaceful, smooth journey, making each flight enjoyable from start to finish. This quadcopter becomes more than a device. It becomes a creative companion, guiding you toward unforgettable stories shaped through the open sky.